In this video, I will be showing you how to use QuillBot Premium. Actually, there's no difference when it comes to ways and how to use QuillBot Premium and Basic. But when it comes to the features, there is really a big difference. When you're using the basic version or plan of QuillBot, you can only access a few of these features here. But as you can see, I'm using the premium QuillBot. Then I have the access to all the features, which you can see on the left side. So there is no words such as unlock premium because I already unlocked the premium plan. So in order to use, you just have to copy a summary or type something that you want to paraphrase. And then you can just simply click any options here because you're already unlocked these features. You are free to use this also for the languages above. And apart from that also, you can see that you can upload a photo here or files and let the QuillBot paraphrase it for you. You just have to import the file here, click paraphrase, and that's it. So there is more or options for QuillBot Premium rather than QuillBot Basic. So again, when it comes to using Premium and Basic, they have the same way, but for features, tools, and other options, I always suggest that you upgrade your QuillBot into Premium to enjoy new features, new versions, and new options here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.